campers, let's just talk about the 5 reasons why Obama will lose the 2012 elections. Number 1, the economy. He should have made the economy priority when he got into office. The economy was shit, and it's still no better. And by not even addressing or tackling it is going to really hurt him in ways which we will discuss. Number 2 is his health care plan. He focused on that, but it is a complete disaster. From what my friends are telling me that have insurance, it's just awful. It's bullshit. Which I have no idea because I don't have insurance. I can't afford insurance. If I could afford insurance because we all had jobs, we wouldn't need your health care plan, Obama. Thank you, jackass. Number 3, he has no true roots. His mom and his dad were not black people that were from America. They're not black citizens. So he's not a true black man from America. You even had a black congresswoman coming out about a month or so ago and busting his balls. There's other black organizations that don't claim him because he's not a black man. He's not a white man, so white men don't really have much to hold to him. And the Hispanics, all my Mexican friends hate that sumbitch right now because he hasn't done jack shit on this immigration, which he promised. And this immigration is a complete disaster. It's awful. We should be giving those guys some green cards and getting tax money off them right now. What's the holdup? Well, that brings us to number 4. America is completely turned off on Obama. When he was waving to everybody while he was going on vacation and the economy's going in the tank, that just turned a lot of people's stomach right there. They're so turned off on Obama, he can't come out and say enough words to rectify his actions. Number 5 is the huge one. The economy will not change until after the 2012 election. Since he did not take the initiative to get this economy jump-started and do anything, this economy will stay stagnant and in a quagmire until the 2012 elections. You heard it right here first. That is going to drag Obama's numbers down. It's going to make him look weak and ineffective, and he's going to go out looking like a lame duck president. Thank you.